If you think YouTube still recommends videos based on subscribers or luck in 2026, then you are very wrong, because right now YouTube doesn't really care how small you are. It cares about one thing, and once you understand that thing, YouTube can literally start working for you. And in this video, I will show you exactly how YouTube recommend videos in 2026, especially for small and growing channel. A lot of people think YouTube recommend videos because you have many subscribers, or because you upload at a perfect time, or because your video just went viral randomly. But in 2026, YouTube works very differently. YouTube is not promoting channels, YouTube is actually promoting videos, and every single video you upload is treated like a brand new opportunity, so you want to really grab that opportunity and use it very well. So how does YouTube actually work? When you upload a video, YouTube first show it to a small audience. Like, YouTube first tests it with a small audience, not millions of audience, not thousands, just a few people, right? And this is what YouTube check why they are testing it with few audience. Do people click? Like, for people to click your video, it means your thumbnail and your title is actually doing justice. It's really connecting, it is searchable, and it is what people are actually looking for, because they are typing that thing the search engine of the YouTube space, right? So do people click your videos? Actually, another thing that YouTube check is, do they stay on your videos? Like, this is talking about the watch time that your videos are going to accumulate, and the retention rate of your viewers staying on your videos. Like, how long do they actually watch your content, right? Another thing that YouTube check is, do they interact? Yes, when you upload these videos, or when an audience comes to these videos, do they like this video, do they comment, do they share this video, right? That is another thing that YouTube actually look out for. Another thing that YouTube actually look out for when they test this video with small audience is, do they watch another of your video? Like, when somebody watch one video of yours, do they go ahead and click on another of your video, right? Now, if those people respond well, YouTube is going to show it to more people. But if they don't respond well, like if it slows down, if maybe after 2 hours just one person that clicks, or two people that clicks, then this is a bad signal to the algorithm, because it is going to seem as though your video is not making any sense, or is not value packed, right? It's going to mean like your thumbnail is not doing justice, which means people are not clicking on it. Your title is not also doing justice, which means people are not clicking on it. And maybe your retention is not also okay. That means people are not sitting long enough on your videos, and all of that. Like, basically, it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm that your video is bad, even if your video is good. Right now, here are some of the things that you should consider when it comes to how you should recommend your videos, right? Number one is consistency matters, and I'm going to tell you why. Here is what most people don't know. Consistency doesn't really help one video. It helps YouTube trust your channel. YouTube need to trust your channel that it is actually delivering value and is keeping people in the YouTube space, right? And for you to be able to gain that trust, you need to upload regularly, right? YouTube need to be seeing you almost every time. Like, they need to know that you are here, you are showing up. YouTube learns who to show your videos for when you are consistent. That's another reason why consistency is also important. Your videos will start getting traction, and will start getting tested faster. Like, YouTube will just know who to take these videos to quickly, right, without doing so much testing on the videos, right, with random audience, right? Now, this is because you are consistent, or this is what consistency does. That is why you will notice sometimes a video that doesn't perform in day one can just suddenly picks up later, or in later days, right? That is because you are constantly posting, especially if you are constantly showing up, even if the videos are not even giving you the views, right? If you constantly show up, one day it will pick up, because the algorithm has now understood who those videos are for, and then they are directing it to the right audience. Of course, if they direct it to the right audience are going to click on it, and once your video starts getting that traction on the clicks, YouTube is going to get a signal of your videos are good, right? Now, this is what you should do in 2026, right? Number one is to focus on one audience problem. Don't try to solve multiple problems on the YouTube space, right? Just look for an audience that you know you can actually solve their problem, because one thing about the YouTube space is that it is a problem solving app, right? It is created for that one purpose, right? To solve problems for people. So create an audience or create videos that is actually solving problem for a particular audience. Like pick an audience that you want to be solving problem for and focus on it. Number two is make sure your titles about the outcome, not topics, right? Make titles about outcomes, not topics, right? Now you want to make sure that your titles are sounding like solutions to what the audience want to hear, right? That is also another reason why they will click on your videos, right? Number three thing is to make sure that you improve on your first 30 seconds. A lot of people don't have time to waste on this YouTube space, right? They are browsing through the internet, they are not committed to watching your videos, right? That is one thing about audience. So you need to make them stay or give them a reason to stay in your first 30 seconds. You need to prove to them that you have something that they need, right, in your first 30 seconds, and you have to be very quick with that. If you can hook them in your first 30 seconds, of course it is also sending signals to the YouTube algorithm, and that is something that you should know. Every little thing you do here sends a signal to the algorithm, and that signal can either destroy your video or improve your video or help your video, right? Number four thing you want to do when it comes to what to do in 2026 as pertaining YouTube recommending your videos for you is to upload consistency. Like upload consistently. It doesn't matter how the quality of your video is, right? Upload that content. Like you don't know the video that can actually blow up. With YouTube, you don't have an idea of the video that can blow up. All you have to do is to stay consistent. And I recommend posting twice, which is the bare minimum, in a week, or posting 3 times if you have the time in a week, because it actually help you to tackle the YouTube algorithm and keep them constantly looking at your videos, or constantly having something to feed on while trying to understand who your videos are for and what your channel is all about, right? So in 2026 you don't need to beat the YouTube algorithm, you need to feed it with clear signals. Like you just need to tell the algorithm who your channel is for, the kind of videos that you are creating, and that the fact that they can trust you for showing up consistently to create those kind of videos. That is all you need in 2026 to make sure that the YouTube algorithm actually recommend your video. If you want YouTube to recommend your videos in 2026, stop chasing tricks and start building trust with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if this video has helped you, kindly like, subscribe, and do not forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you also have any question about why YouTube is doing whatever it's doing to your channel, probably you're struggling with a thing or two, also let me know in the comment section, because of course that is the more reason why I am here for you. Thank you guys so much. I have countless videos that are definitely going to help you, whether in building subscribers or building watch time hours, because of course I run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 4 out of those 5, and that is why I'm teaching everything that I did to monetize those channels on this particular channel. So you want to go ahead and subscribe. Do not also forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.